When you're in New York City, there are 3 things you are going to do. You're going to walk, you are going to eat, and you are going to need to use the toilet. Yep, the bathroom, the loo, the john, the latrine, all the words that you know. And we've got some tips on how to make it just a little bit easier to find so that you can take care of the things you need to take care of. My advice and a look at one of the newest bathrooms in town is at the end. What's your best bathroom advice?
Go to the hotels, but don't tell anyone. It's a secret between you and me, okay?
My best bathroom advice is to try really hard to use the restroom before going on a guided tour. Your tour guide will do their best to accommodate you if you have an emergency, but just know sometimes it's hard to find a bathroom during the middle of a tour.
My best bathroom advice for New York City is to pee before you leave where you already are. This sounds basic, but think about it and you'll save yourself half an hour later from having to find somewhere on the street.
Go to the bathroom in hotels. They're open 24 hours a day. And legally they're supposed to allow you to use the bathroom because of the public accommodations law.
My best bathroom advice for New York City is go every chance you get. Bathrooms are few and far between. When I'm doing a tour, I tell people, give me at least 11 minutes notice before you need a bathroom.
My best bathroom advice is to use this bathroom right over here. This is a bathroom in Bryant Park. 3 years ago, it got a nearly $300,000 restoration. So it's nicer than most apartments that you'll find. It's comfortable, it's clean, and classical music plays, so all your business gets done peacefully.
Bathroom advice. I think if you're in New York, this can be a little bit challenging, but always keep your eyes out for a hotel. If there is a hotel, you can always walk in there, take a look around the lobby, just walk in with confidence, act like you know what you're doing, find a bathroom, and that's the easiest thing to do.
Bathrooms, go when you can, not when you have to.
So my best bathroom advice is to use your Google Maps and to find the nearest public library. It's one of the places that people don't necessarily immediately think of. There's lots of little branch libraries and they're open to the public. You can be assured that they're open to the public. That's my best bathroom advice.
My best bathroom advice is probably something that you're going to hear from a lot of tour guides. Hotels, if they have a lobby bathroom, have to let you use it. They are required by law, and they cannot tell you no, no matter how surly they look. My second best bathroom advice, Bryant Park. It's worth the wait.
When it comes to finding a bathroom in New York City, the most popular options is people using Starbucks or McDonald's. I oftentimes don't rely on that because a lot of times these bathrooms are out of order or locked, or you have to annoy somebody to go use them. What I do a lot of times is I'll find a restaurant and I put on a I'm stupid face and say, well, I'm waiting for my party to arrive, but before that, can I use your bathrooms? And then a lot of times they'll let me in, especially if I give them my serial killer eyes and show them that I'm serious. Other than that, I'm a lot more braver than other people are, so I'll use the bathrooms of the New York subway system, which is a risk that you might be willing to take.
My best bathroom advice, don't use the one in the subways. Don't touch anything. God knows who was murdered there or what happened in there. It is New York. Okay, so don't go to the subway ones. But if you're in Bryant Park, definitely use that public bathroom. It's one of the cleanest. There's a line, but there's always somebody in there telling you, get out and come in. So they man the door. But that's one of the cleanest ones in the park area. Or go to the library. It's right next door.
The best bathroom advice is the fancier the hotel, the less they care about you using the bathroom. So just act like you will go there. Act like you're a guest at the hotel and, you know, play dumb or just be sneaky about it and own it. And you'll be able to use the bathroom in no time.
Just like follow the advice of King George V. Use it when you have the opportunity because you never know when the next one's coming up.
My best bathroom advice is go to hotels. Every hotel is supposed to have a restroom open to the public. Some of them will lie to you and say that they don't, but they all have really nice bathrooms, like nice paper towels, clean. Avoid Starbucks because everybody goes to Starbucks. Go to a nice hotel. Enjoy the lovely restroom. Usually they're downstairs, like you walk in and they have like a downstairs area, so that's what you want to look for.
The best bathroom advice for the city. The best bathroom advice I have in New York City is know where they are and don't be too picky. Always go when you can. You never know when you're going to get the next chance.
Best bathroom advice? Hold it.
So that was some pretty good advice from the guide. So look for a hotel. Take care of business before you head out, and be aware. Just be ready for things. Know my advice. Actually find a lot of really nice places in food courts and parks. It's kind of actually amazing. So there are lots of food courts now in the Midtown area, and right behind me is one of the newest public restrooms. This one just got a multi-six-figure redo. It's clean, it has an attendant, it plays classical music, not as nice as Bryant Park, but still really great if you're in the area. This is Greeley Square, and we're not too far from Macy's and the Empire State Building, as well as Koreatown for some amazing food. Now, if you enjoyed this video, if it helped you out at all, please subscribe, and ring the bell, and you'll get a notification on the next time that one of these goes up. Thank you very much for being here. Thanks to all the guides who helped me out. We'll see you next time. Thanks.